How to fix KB5044285 fails to install in Windows 11. Disk cleanup is useful not only to ensure you have enough space on your drive but also that Windows Update-related caches are eliminated in case they are bugged. Hit OK to begin the cleanup process. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Media Creation Tool is an official resort from Microsoft that can repair your Windows installation and bring it to the latest version.